To make a box plot using the graphing calculator, you start the same way that you would for a histogram. You're going to go to Stat and Enter to put your information in a list. So I've put in the data for Maria's grades on page 110 of your textbook. So let's make a box plot. The first step is going to be to set my window. So I need to look at the grades, and I can see that her lowest grade is a 6 and her highest grade is a 9. So when I go to window, I can set my lowest to a little lower, so I'm going to say 5. And I'm going to set my max to a little higher, so 10 sounds good. And I'm going to count by ones since those numbers are so close together. For the same reasons as a histogram, I'm going to make -3 my Y min and 10 my max. That's really just to give me a space on the screen so I can see the graph. Again, just like a histogram, I'm going to hit the second key and Y equals to go to my stat plot. I'm going to turn it on. And then I'm going to go down to my list. So we're going to select the box plot that is in the bottom row, and it's the second icon. And we'll hit enter. So again, our X list is in list 1, so we're good. I'm going to hit graph, and here I go. So if I hit trace, it's going to put the spider on the center line, and that's going to show up as the median. It'll tell me what that value is down here at the bottom of the screen. If I toggle over, it will also give me the values for the min, the lower quartile or Q1, again my median, my Q3 which is 9, and then if I click over again, I don't see any max, but it tells me that my max is also at 9. So it just shows up as that same line right there. And that's how you make a box plot.